Hey guys, make sure to stay till the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having an X3, X4 BMW generation from year 2010 to year 2018. If you guys need to find where the fuses and relays for the instrument cluster are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So, before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, the instrument panel fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation BMW X3, X4 right here, that's known as F25, F26. So guys, what we need to do now, we need to first open the passenger door, and when we do that, okay, you will need to open your glove box. Empty the content of the glove box. Behind it on the right side you have a cover, you see that notch here, pull it down, pull that cover out. Behind it you have a fuse box that looks like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad, and let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys, you practically wasted your money. So all you have to do is check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, we need to check up to 4 different fuses. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. They're really hard to reach, that's why we took a picture so you can clearly see that. Now relays, we'll talk about that as well. But the first fuse that you need to check, it's very important fuse. We're talking about that fuse number 8. Very important fuse. Then you go to after 8 you need to check that's 9, 10, 11, 12, fuse number 12, that 5M fuse, check that one as well. Next you need to check fuse number 13, the one underneath it as well. And after that we need to locate fuse number 20, actually guys, fuse number 26. So if you come right here, that's 23, 24, 25, 26, it will be that 4th fuse in that row right here. About relays guys, now you have very limited relays in that car, one here, here as well, you see 2 relays. Some may have an extra one right here, but no relays in that glove box, in that fuse box. Now if you come to the trunk guys and remove the cover here on the side, you have another fuse box. Here you have another relay, but it's not for the instrument cluster guys. Here you have a few more, and sometimes right here under that cover you may have extra relays, but most of the times, okay, those 4 fuses that we showed you, they're known as relay fuses. BMWs, the new BMWs do not have many relays. Everything's controlled by the computers, so always check your fuses first, guys, if you have problems with instrument clusters, gauges, or speedometer not working correctly. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.